Hello and welcome to our Park Cove May construction update. We've got a lot happening on site, so let's go and take a look. Park Cove Villas Stage 1 are on completion for settlement at the end of June. All hardstand works are completing and painting and landscaping is continuing. The pool and gazebo and barbecue area is under construction, and villa landscape is underway throughout the balance of the project. Pedestrian gates are being installed along Sickle Avenue and carpets are being laid. Park Cove Eastern Villa works are progressing well, with roof and gutting works having commenced. Window installations due to start, and Stage 2 slabs are being poured this month. Our Park Cove Eastern Villa construction program is on schedule. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll look forward to catching up next month where we'll have Park Cove Stage 1 completed, and look forward to seeing you at the sales office. It's open 7 days at 23 Sickle Avenue.